Welcome to Trading Tricks for Indices YouTube channel. Today this video is all about why pivot points are so important and 20 EMA is so important while trading taking our trades. A few persons in the comments are asking that why do we use 20 EMA? We can use pivots and we can take the trade. Why? There is a need to explain this question because 20 EMA gives you confidence that the move is coming in the few minutes. I will explain why. See here, whenever this red candle closes below it, there is a move. Understood? There is a move and there is a consolidation for few minutes, and again when it faces rejection with important CPR and 20 EMA, there is again a fall here. There is again a fall till here. This is why I am using 20 EMA. You can enter at 20 EMA. Whenever 20 EMA and with important support or resistance, it is taking support. Whether it is taking support or whether it is getting resistance, you can take the trade according to the context and with some factors taken into consideration. You can take the trade. I will tell you what are the factors I will see in the next videos. If you want to know more about this strategy, dig deeper into the strategy, please watch my future videos and my previous videos also, so that you have a clear idea about what I am telling you. By the way, my motto is that anybody can trade with right indicators, right psychology and right mentor. Novice trader could trade better with these things. I want to instill this, that anybody can trade with right support. That's my motto. That's why I have started the YouTube channel called Trading Tricks for Indices. Now let's go to the video. If you are day traders, only day trading pivot points are needed, but I trade weekly pivots also. That's why I plot the weekly pivots and monthly pivots in my chart. Now I will tell you, I will show you how important these pivots are. Let me unbox all the pivots on my chart. Now if you trade, if you see this chart, do you understand anything that there is a fall coming from here? There is a fall coming from here, or at the morning after the opening of the market, around 1 hour 15 minutes, I could say that there is a fall today with the help of the pivots. Now you see that there is a fall from here to here. I will show you why this fall has happened with the help of pivots. See here first 5-minute candle is a red candle, and it faces resistance from weekly pivot. It stays sideways. It consolidated for around 55 minutes, and it faces the resistance at 10:10 AM. It faces resistance at 10:10 AM and a fall has happened. Now the question is, how do you know that fall will happen? The answer for this is 20 EMA. See, it faces rejection here and it closes below the 20 EMA. Then you could assume that there is a fall till it found some support. Here closes below 20 EMA and there is a free fall till here. As this is the CPR, it's a great support. When price stays inside it found some support here and stayed sideways for about 2 hours for about 2 hours and again it falls back. Again it is falling till here. How do you know? How do you know that this candle, if you enter this candle, stop loss above this and the target is this? How do you know that? With my setup you will know that there is going to be a fall over here. Another reason why today is a bearish day, I felt like this, because this if you see this rejection candle, if you see this rejection candle from which pivot? Weekly pivot. This sky blue is a weekly pivot. You are going to know that if a move starts at weekly pivot, the move possibly can end at weekly pivot. I will show you what is weekly pivot very clearly by unboxing all other pivots, so that you will have better idea what I am telling you. See, again I am explaining. The first 5-minute candle is a red bearish candle. It stayed sideways. It took rejection at weekly pivot and started falling till here. It closes below 20 EMA and the free fall has happened. Whoever knows about weekly pivots and the price action, the psychology behind these behaviors, they could grasp that today is going to be a bearish day. If you recall some instincts that some financial analysts are saying today is going to be a bearish day, today is going to be a bullish day. They are predicting that this could happen, this could happen. They have their own indicators and they analyze those indicators and tell you that there could be a bearish day, there could be a bullish day, there could be a sideways day. Remember one thing, there is nothing like 100% in this field. You cannot expect 100% in this field. It's a probability game that if you win 60% of the time with your strategy, it's a good strategy. If somebody says that this is a 100% guarantee strategy, please do not trust them, because there is nothing like 100% in this field. You have to analyze your own charts. You have to take one mentor, follow them, read books, and you instill those instincts in your trading. Then you could be profitable one day. I'm sure about it. You could be profitable one day with good psychology, good analysis. You will be profitable, but you have to backtest whatever you see. You have to backtest it. You have to grasp it within you, that strategy. That's my motto. Now this is, you understood that weekly pivots, a move starts at weekly pivots, end at weekly pivots. Now I will tell you how this fall has happened from here to here, how it's happened and where to take the trade. I will show you. Let me put on daily pivots also, so that it makes good sense for you. See, if you don't know about weekly pivots, just ignore them. As this channel is for beginners, novice traders, ignore this such type of complicated thing. Just unbox weekly pivots in your charts. Then first understand daily pivots. Now you will know why this move has happened. See here. Here there is also a daily pivot resistance here. Earlier I told you that here there is a weekly resistance and it closes below it. There is a free fall till here. It finds support and consolidated for few hours, and then a fall has happened because there is a rejection in this candle. There is a rejection. It's a middle CPR. If you see any rejection here with 20 EMA combination, there is a great probability that it could fall. If you see here also, it is a bullish candle and it closes above it. why it's not going like this. It's not, that could be your question. I will answer it. We have to trade considering different factors. We have to consider market sentiment. We have to consider what yesterday's price action. We have to consider some other factors to take the trade. Whenever you could able to see all this in your brain, you can take the trade with confidence. I will give you that confidence to you. I'm sure about it. I will give you the confidence to you, but you have to follow my videos, and you have to follow my videos and backtest what I am saying. Train your eyes to see these things. Okay. At my in the sense, this is a CPR, right? This is CPR, and it faces resistance like this. With the overall sentiment, overall market sentiment is bearish, so I am very confident that a fall will happen, but I don't know whether it is the follow through is till here or here. Weekly, I know weekly pivot is so powerful. It could reach weekly, but sometimes it may not. But to be sure about my profit, I will, if I take trade here, I will take my profit here. If the situations are in my favor, I will take my profit till here, because I cannot risk my profit. And if it faces support here, goes like this and again comes like this, my psychology may get hurt. That's why I play the setting. Anything that is sure giving me profit, I will take it and exit my position. If I enter here, my stop loss is here and my target is here or here. According to the situation, I will take it. I think I have delivered my motto that pivot points and 20 EMA are so powerful. If any comments, if any queries, please comment. I will answer it. At any point of time you like my efforts, this content is useful for you, please subscribe my channel, share this to the needy persons so that they could understand the markets better, and please give a like if you like it. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Bye bye.